Today, you are going to learn organizational communication. Communication is the lifeblood of any organization. It's the invisible force that binds teams together, propelling them towards shared goals and fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation. Welcome to our exploration of organizational communication, where we delve into the intricacies of how messages flow, relationships form, and ideas are exchanged within the complex ecosystem of modern workplaces. Organizational communication is a term that covers all communication employed by a company and its representatives. This includes communication between staff as well as outward-facing communication. It requires active participation from various stakeholders including the CEO, human resource teams, managers, team leaders, and employees. Let's discuss the types of organizational communication. First, formal and informal communication. Companies use two main communication styles, formal and informal. Formal channels, such as staff meetings, handbooks, and press releases, are used to deliver official information within the organization. On the other hand, informal communication, such as conversations among colleagues, helps to foster connections and relationships within the organization. Both formal and informal communication styles are crucial for effective communication in a company. Second, directional communication. Companies use different communication styles based on colleague levels. 1. Upward communication. It refers to how employees communicate information or concerns to their managers or superiors. It can involve regular performance reviews, suggestion boxes, or open-door policies. 2. Downward communication. It encompasses how managers or superiors communicate information, instructions, or directives to their team members. Effective downward communication can utilize tools like team meetings, project management software, and performance updates. 3. Horizontal communication. It refers to communication between colleagues on the same level within the organization. It can take the form of informal discussions, brainstorming sessions, or collaborative project work. Third, oral and written communication. Choosing between oral and written communication depends on the message and audience. Oral communication, like meetings or presentations, allows for dynamic interactions through tone, inflection, and body language. However, clear communication is crucial to avoid misunderstandings since the message is not easily revisitable. Written communication, like emails or reports, offers a permanent record and easy sharing, but lacks vocal cues. To compensate, careful word choice and conciseness are essential for clear understanding and maintaining reader interest. Ultimately, the strongest approach depends on factors like information complexity, need for immediate feedback, and audience size and location. Understanding the advantages and disadvantages of each method empowers businesses to choose the right tool for the job, ensuring clear communication and desired outcomes. Fourth, internal and external communication. Businesses utilize two main types of communication. Internal communication. This focuses on employee interaction and information sharing. It can be more candid than public messaging and allows for sharing necessary details without compromising sensitive information. External communication. This targets external audiences like customers and aims to build and maintain a positive public image. It often involves stricter guidelines to uphold the company's reputation. Both internal and external communication are crucial for a business's success, each serving distinct purposes with different levels of formality. Now let's talk about how to manage organizational communication. Here are some key strategies to manage organizational communication. First, setting the tone. Just like a captain steers a ship, senior management sets the overall style and expectations for communication within the company. This includes things like preferred communication methods, transparency, and professionalism. Second, equipping employees. Effective communication requires skills and knowledge. Training equips employees with the tools they need to communicate effectively, whether it's using team messaging apps, video conferencing platforms, or simply writing clear and concise emails. Third, establishing guidelines. A clear employee handbook acts as a reference point for communication policies. It should outline things like a code of ethics, how to communicate both internally and externally, and appropriate social media usage. Fourth, listening and adapting. Just like in any conversation, effective communication requires listening and responding to feedback. Organizations can use various methods like performance reviews, surveys, and team meetings to understand how communication is working and identify areas for improvement. Fifth, measuring and improving. It's important to track the effectiveness of communication efforts. This can be done through quantitative data like employee retention rates and qualitative data like employee surveys. By analyzing these results, organizations can continuously improve communication strategies and create a more positive work environment for everyone. Implementing these strategies helps build a culture of open communication where information flows freely, fostering collaboration, innovation, and overall success for the organization. Now let's discuss the importance of organizational communication. 1. It helps to create a company brand. Effective communication within a company, organizational communication, is crucial for building a strong brand identity. A well-established brand creates familiarity and trust with customers, making them more likely to be loyal and contribute to the company's success. 2. It allows managers to set staff policies. Organizational communication plays a vital role in establishing and communicating staff policies. Clear and consistent communication of these policies ensures employees understand their work expectations across various situations. 3. It makes it easier to respond to unforeseen events. Organizational communication is crucial during unforeseen events. It facilitates a swift and efficient response by enabling clear communication of new plans to all employees, ensuring everyone can adapt and contribute to a quick return to normal operations. 4. It keeps all staff focused on the same goals. Through organized communication, all employees in a company can stay focused on shared goals. This communication encompasses formal channels like meetings or memos outlining individual and team responsibilities, as well as informal conversations that foster collaboration and a unified understanding of the project's objectives. 5. It helps maintain a positive workspace. Strong organizational communication fosters a positive work environment. Open communication helps employees understand their roles and expectations, leading to better performance and positive feedback, which ultimately boosts morale and contributes to the company's success.
If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you want to read this topic in details, go through the link in the description and download the PDF. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.